Okay. I think we are live. Yes, we are live. Uh, Let me know if you can see my screen. Perfect, everyone. This looks good. This looks good. So, guys, we are live and welcome to the guy from Web3 channel. And thank you so much if you are listening it later on after the live has already been ended. I always appreciate the people who join and wants to take their trading to the next level, and this has always been appreciated. So let's just quickly start our call and just quickly move on to some forex pair to just analyze where we actually stand in the markets. So first of all, let's just quickly have cryptos on our watch list. So we have Bitcoin here. I've been like talking about Bitcoin's price action from a very long time now. And if you see, there's always a very noisy price action with the Bitcoin price. And every time you need to check that whether Bitcoin is like doing some kind of a move and it's giving some kind of a momentum in within this move, that would be a really great move. So let's just have a short position. So I was just looking for a swing shot based on this, and if we move to the high time frames, just like 4 hours, so you see like how exactly it's confluencing with this previous swing high, where like we exactly know that from where the actual supply, the sellers have dived in the market, they pushed the price down, break previous lows, created a new lower low. So this high basically now have like already been established as a good supply, where if market has a tap to this supply zone, it will definitely have some kind of a move. And you have already like seen this, like we have a one tap to this zone, a, a, like a kind of a move to the downside. Again, we have a proper tap, we have a downside move, but this like isn't like a full supply zone which like can drive price back down till here. So for that, if we need a big expansion to a downside, which will fill all of this fair value gap and all of this big liquidity gap, if you see, market has to like market has to like tap this supply zone and mitigate this basically, and then move to the downside. So this could be a good potential move on Bitcoin, and I've already like set my limit orders with 0.5% at this, and also I'm waiting for 0.5% when market will come here and get me the confirmation which I was just looking for, right? So if market will give me that kind of a confirmation, I will definitely be looking to enter the markets. So like already put some limit with 0.5% risk, and that would be a good risk to reward trade. If you see, if market hits and start moving into the profits, I would be in a 7 hour position where I'll be risking 1% to gain 7% of my account. So that's a good like a risk to reward thing to do. So I think that looks perfect. And all other altcoins, if you look at all other altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, BNB, these are like all moving in the same way Bitcoin is doing. So again, we they have already like reached the previous high and have some movement which they can make based on this supply zone, and even like cover previous liquidity which they have created on the way going up, right? So this is just all about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, and all other stuffs, right? So let's just quickly move to Litecoin. Litecoin is doing like pretty good. I've already like invested in Litecoin somewhere over here, and I'll be like in the profit somewhere around 90 to 20%, right? So oh man, like this is a big gain, which is around 60% in the profits. So if you like entered on Litecoin, you would be like having 60% profit on your like spot account and wallets, right? So this is about Litecoin now. Also, I have shared one of the trade in my community about AXS. So this is just limited to my private community. If you want to join my private community, I will just attach the link below in my description so that everyone else can join the community and have an access to the other trade ideas which I'll be posting about cryptocurrencies and other altcoins. And also we'll always like post about even about TXY and all other forex pair which could have a good move. So this was the trade earlier this day we have shared in our the group in the community. If you see on our Discord server, I've shared this trade, which was like kind of a profit hit profits, and now like exactly it's just like hitting the roofs. So definitely it's going into the profits and creating some kind of a good buying momentum, right? So okay. So I think yes, it's going good. So currently, like we have just covered the Bitcoin analysis and the other altcoin analysis, but I think like yes, this is it for our first session. So I'll be very thankful for all of you to join this session. If you're seeing this live, or if you're seeing after the live has already been ended. So like yes, like always appreciate each and every move, each and everything. So thank you so much everyone for joining in, and I'll be like continue to do some live session, late night sessions on cryptocurrencies and other like forex pairs. So this stream is currently just be about the basic or the current overview of Bitcoin. So I'll just looking to end the call right here, and let's just call it out a day. And thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I'll be like doing another call in like next 2 3 days. So I'll just inform to the community about when I will doing the call next. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Bye bye.